Good morning students, welcome to English class. Today we will revise chapter types of verbs. In these verbs are of two types. First one is a transitive verb and second one is a intransitive verb. Before doing this verb, we should know what is exactly an object here. If we will identify an object, then it is very easy for us to identify which kind of verb it is. If a subject needs an object, if in a sentence it contains an object, that verb is called transitive verb. If in a sentence here is no object, then that verb is an intransitive verb. Today we will revise this topic again. Okay beta? And beta, one more thing, please do your homework properly. Some students didn't do their homework and some students has uploaded the pictures of their homework. They have done the homework in a rough diary. Beta, do your homework in proper notebook and then the picture, then get it uploaded. Okay beta? Thank you so much. Let's start this chapter. Types of verb. See, in a sentence, formation of sentence is subject, verb and object. What is basically a subject? A subject is a doer of an action. Who does an action? That is called a subject. And what is verb? As you know, verbs are the action words. These are the doing words. Next, what is object? Object is basically receiver of an action on which action is being done. For example, see, one example I am giving here. The kids are playing cricket. So, the kids is the subject here who is doing the action. And what they are doing? Who is receiving the action? Play. Who is receiving that action? Cricket. So, cricket is an object here. One more example. The kids are playing in the garden. So, some students might have a doubt. They might think that the garden is an object here. But beta, this is not an object here. Why it is not an object? We always consider after verb, here is always an object. But it is not so. Beta, object is basically receiver of an action. The kids are playing in the garden. They are not playing with the garden. Okay, if they are playing with something, that can be an object. But they are playing in the garden. It is a place. Okay, it is not the receiver of an action, so it is not an object here. The kids is a subject, no doubt. Are is a helping verb. Playing is a verb, but the garden is not an object. I hope now it is clear. Next point. Action gives the answer of what, who and whom. When action gives the answer of what, who and whom, that is basically an object. Okay beta? This is a master stroke to identify an object. If you will get the answer of what, who and whom, that is an object. I read a book. So, frame a question, what do I read? A book is giving the answer of what. So, I is a subject who is reading a book, who is a doer here, and read is a verb here, and a book is a receiver of an action. Reading is done on book, na? So, a book is a receiver of an action and it is giving the answer of what, so it is an object here. Next sentence, she teaches me. When we will frame the question of this answer, to whom does she teach? She teaches me. So, me is giving the answer of to whom. So, it is an object here. She is subject here. Teach is a verb here. And me is a object because it is giving the answer of whom. And it is a receiver also. It is a doer who is teaching she and to whom she is teaching me. So, me is a receiver of an action. I read. I is a subject and read is a verb here. Beta, you have to identify whether it is a transitive verb or intransitive verb. It needs an object. Now the question arises, what do I read? It need an object. I read a book. So when a verb needs an object, that verb is a transitive verb. Beta, in a spoken part, we usually say I read, I play, I sing, but that is wrong because we actually mix up formal and informal spoken part. Okay, so it needs an object. In a spoken part, we can say I read, but it is incorrect. We should say what do I read? We need an object here. I read a book. So read is a transitive verb here when we need an object. I sing. What do I sing? We need to specify the object here. So sing will be the transitive verb. Now focus on this part. See, here are some action words. Mohan eats bananas. The girl drink the milk. We shall go to picnic. Okay. So we shall go to picnic. To picnic is giving the answer of where. So it is not an object here. Clear, beta? Mohan eats bananas. What does Mohan eat? Bananas. Bananas is a receiver of action, eating. What is he eating? Bananas. So bananas is an object here. The girl drank the milk. What did the girl drink? The milk. So the milk is giving the answer of what? It is an object here. Clear? So master stroke to identify an object is what, who and who. Object basically gives the answer of what, who and whom. Then you will get your answer to identify an object. Clear, beta? A word that describes an action or says something about the subject is called verb. Okay. For example, the sun is shining brightly. Boys are playing cricket. See, kinds of verb. First is a transitive verb. The boy opened. In a spoken part, you might have doubt this sentence is complete, but it is not actually complete. You have a question in your mind. What did the boy open? So you need to specify the object here. His suitcase, a door. So we need an object. So open is a transitive verb. The peacocks have. What does they have? Okay, they have a plums. So now it is a complete. It is giving the answer of what? So it is a object here. Clear? Now move to the next type, intransitive verb. The students dance. See, this sentence is complete. We don't need to specify an object here. Clear? The sun shines. The sun is the subject and shines is a verb. We don't need any object here. So shine is an intransitive verb. The train is running. The train is a subject. Is a helping verb and run is a verb here. We don't need any object. So run is a intransitive verb here. Because there are certain verbs which are transitive as well as intransitive also. For example, the train stopped. Here we are not using any object. So now in this sentence, stop is an intransitive verb. We can use this verb transitive form also. In other sentence, the driver is a doer of an action who stopped the bus, who stopped the train. And what did he stop? The train. The train is giving the answer of what? So it is the object, receiver on action. What was stopped? The train. So the train is receiving the action of stop na. So it is the object here. I hope now the object is clear to you. Okay, beta. So revise this topic again. Then you can easily identify what is object and what are the transitive and intransitive verb. Thank you so much. Have a nice day, beta.